Hi, it's Mike from Bridgie Productions, and so today I'm going to do a wheel articulation test with the Dynamics Pro XP edition. I just bought the Walker Evans sway links for this, and I'll be replacing the factory sway links. But first I'm going to do a wheel articulation test three different ways. One with everything stock. The next will be remove all sway bars. And the last one will be with the sway links, and we'll kind of see where we're at with everything. Okay, first, just so you see, I'm going to turn the machine off, but I'm going to leave it on comfort mode. But I'm actually going to turn the machine off so that the dynamic system doesn't kick in as I lift the machine up. Around. Yeah, it's hard to get an accurate reading by myself, but I'll just say the front's right about 15 inches off the ground. The wind is really making this hard, but we'll say the front is 15 inches off the ground. Start pulling the front end off. Okay, this is without any sway bars connected. This is the front tire. And I'm gonna go off that bottom line, and now I got out of the wind, and we're at 26 inches in the front, and it kind of looks like this. That's 26 inches of ground clearance, or 26 inches the tire is off the ground, and that is sway bars disconnected, front and rear sway bars disconnected. Now this is the rear. We're at 23.5 inches on that line on the lower part of my tire. 23.5. This is without the sway bars connected, the rear of the machine. Okay, you see I got the Walker links installed. She's pretty mushed out, and that line is just 16.5. You can see right there, 16.5 inches. Not quite the 26 we had earlier, but that is an improvement at about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches from the stock sway bar link for the wheel articulation. And then you can see the front is back installed again. Now this is with the front being installed. Now I'll test out the front. Okay, here we got the front tire up off the ground. We're at 17 inches. 17 inches on that front tire, which I believe the last one was 15, so we're at about 2 inches. And you can see it's extended there. That wheel is touching the ground. It's teetering.